Okay, Wizard Workshops, the last day of the year. I am finally, after a few days delay, actually testing out the foolproof Aircrete made with gum, usually xanthan gum, but guar gum, which we use for doing nice, marbling of paper. It thickens the, just a little bit will thicken the water amazingly. So this here is basically following a recipe, which I'll give the link to the gentleman who did a long video including testing this Aircrete, which came out testing really good for insulation. So I want to be able to slap something like this thickly onto the inside of the ferro cement Hobbit Haven, which that is the framework of, as yet unfinished, unchicken wired, but that is for early in the new year, I trust. So the recipe for this Aircrete, which would be insulation, not for strength but for insulation. It doesn't have to be very strong, like it won't be very strong, but it will have strength. And so this is how it turned out after mixing with this little thing here on a drill. And I'll just with bare hands try and show you the consistency. It's lovely and almost dry feeling, quite light, not like cement or plasterers mix at all. It's much more fluffy, and it's quite amazing. So I made a little bread, like a loaf of it here, to test out later and when it's cured. This is on some chicken wire, but of course I would make a layer of plasterers cement first to make a strong ferro cement shell, and then the plan is I would just plaster this on about that thick, maybe 2 inches thick, and that should give quite a good R factor for insulation, and if not, 3 inches. So it's very promising. The problem with using a mixture of foam made with a foam generator, which I built, and then mixing that with cement, is that often I found that it was just flopping like a cake that failed to, well, maybe rose and then flopped in the oven. So this is foolproof according to the man, and we will definitely be testing that out. But so far so good. This is so self-supporting and quite solid that I think there'll be no problem with it sinking as it sets. So I did revise. I replaced his xanthan gum with guar gum, because that's what I had, and it seems to be doing exactly the same job. And I did it in the same proportions, which I'll read out from my book of days, 7-year-old book of days. And at this last day of the year, it's very cool, and there it is there. So Aircrete recipe, foolproof, fast, I trust. 15 grams of xanthan gum, or in my case I'm using guar gum, G-U-A-R. And you make a slurry with alcohol, and I just use methylated spirits, this stuff, and mixed it up with the guar gum, and it was like a slurry, like really not gummy at all, which is good, because then you add the 1 liter of water and mix it all up, and half a cup or 60 mils of Dawn Ultra, which is just a dishwashing liquid, but what I have used is a pretty intense long life marker foam maker for agriculture, and that has previously proved very foamy, so I've used that instead of the Dawn Ultra. However, I think it's working just fine. So here's the slurry, well no, here's the completed gel-like liquid, which you add one part by volume of this, and 2 parts by volume of just ordinary Portland cement powder, which I haven't lugged out here, but it's just your standard Portland cement, general purpose cement. And I mixed it up for as long as it took to more or less double in size, and it didn't seem to want to go any further. It's quite dry. It could be that I could have added just a bit more water, because maybe this stuff, the marker foam, or maybe the guar gum makes it a drier mix. So that's a possible adjustment to make. But that is me for this year. Successful test, and I'll just show you the Hobbit Haven in progress. Oh, it's just the framework still, and I'll actually just give you a sneak peek. I'll do a short video on this, the concept of the Hobbit Haven or Dream Haven village, because once you've got the ability to quickly, efficiently make permanent, low maintenance, gorgeous Hobbit havens, or elf havens, or perhaps human havens, different styles, but basically any shape can be made with the ferro cement as the framework. And then if and when this instant aircrete works, I will be plastering the inside of this once it's been plastered with hard cement plaster. And then the inside, after that's set, the aircrete, I will presumably use some form of plaster of Paris coating to make the final interior finish of this Hobbit Haven. So, Wizard of Utopia signing out. Look at those gourds. Jack and the Beanstalk. And wishing you a happy New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve today in New Zealand, and a happy New Year 2026.